sa bukuan. Aruno! Ako ron, aruno! Si Janete lang. Balik, lapis na ron.
Jollibee, together with his friends, Happy, Popo, Troy, and Young, are excited for the arrival of our Sonic Grand Garden here at Jollibee. Every year, our Jolly friends were busy preparing the party booths with signing of games and activities for everyone to enjoy. And of course, I will pinalali ang best friend ng Jollibee. Happy,
Ano po tagagit, kuya?
Baka
Baka ano yung debut mo doon sa nakalala mo?
And of course,
Simon Dave, sino mo Dave?
teach us with his sports skills. And Yam will let us review adventures and gadgets. And of course, ang best friend na lahat na si Jollibee will perform for us the best fooding time.
Alin na, Soy?
Tapos yun, hindi na pa.